BrainBox is a powerful software that can revolutionize your online business with an AI chatbot called ChatGPT. Hello friends, I am Andrew and we will see the review of BrainBox, the new AI ChatGPT killer app. BrainBox is an inventive application that engages clients to take advantage of the boundless capability of man-made brainpower and make their own wise chatbot, similar to ChatGPT. This artificial intelligence chatbot can perform different errands, from composing and altering to deciphering and composing complex code. With the capacity to rapidly gather north of 100 million clients, computer-based intelligence is the eventual fate of innovation. In today's fast-paced world, businesses and individuals constantly seek ways to improve efficiency and productivity. Enter BrainBox, the world's first app that allows you to unleash the power of AI and launch your very own ChatGPT-like intelligent chatbot that can perform various tasks. The ChatGPT hype is real, with its Plus version being in high demand and limiting its free version. But with BrainBox, you can effortlessly start your ChatGPT-style business with a single click. BrainBox isn't just another AI-powered app. It is the world's first app that unleashes the power of AI and allows you to launch your intelligent chatbot that can perform various tasks. From writing, editing, proofreading, and translating to even writing complex code and fixing other programmers' mistakes, there is nothing our AI chatbot can't do. BrainBox comes equipped with over 50 mind-boggling AI features that will streamline your business and impress your clients. But BrainBox is not just about practicality. It's also about creativity. Our app can generate AI-based art, images, and video from any keyword you enter, providing endless possibilities to create stunning visuals for your brand. How does BrainBox AI work? Log into the BrainBox cloud-based app. With just one click, create your very own ChatGPT-like AI chatbot. Launch your chatbot and start charging millions of hungry customers using your AI technology. Profit from every search or command, and even place your affiliate links to generate free sales. BrainBox is an AI-powered platform that enables users to create custom chatbots capable of performing a wide range of tasks. It is the world's first app that allows individuals to develop their own ChatGPT-like intelligent chatbot, without needing any technical expertise. With BrainBox, users can unleash the power of AI to develop chatbots that can communicate with customers, provide personalized recommendations, automate business processes, and more. The platform offers a user-friendly interface and a range of customizable options, making it accessible to anyone who wants to create their own chatbot. Key features of BrainBox: AI-powered chatbot creation, user-friendly interface, customizable templates, natural language processing, multi-channel deployment, analytics and insights, integration with external services. BrainBox is a new AI language model that claims to be a ChatGPT killer. It was developed by a startup called Viable and is designed to perform various natural language processing tasks. The developers of BrainBox claim that their model is superior to GPT-3 in terms of its ability to understand context and generate coherent responses. After watching the review of BrainBox, if you learn more about BrainBox, visit the official website only. Thank you for watching.